I really don't know what happens with Rigathi Gachangua, as in the moment anybody joins the camp of Rigathi Gachangua, they begin to lose patience, they begin to talk badly, and they begin to look bad. I'm talking about Kanini Kega and Sabina Chege.
Hindiri andu aku marakurira marenda umanie direction ndroneka twacoka twikarate tukamuona ni athiro iguru kuria githumu tukarigwo mutongoria tukaigwa thiri atia ningi kwenda matahuraga biacara koguo oma biacara ingihingwo kana kugia na maandamano they have nothing to lose.
You remember Sabina Chege was considered very highly in Jubilee during Uhuru Kenyatta's time. As a matter of fact, Sabina Chege is one of those candidates who were proposed by Uhuru Kenyatta to be the running mate for Raila Amolo Odinga in Azimios. Remember, with the likes of Kalonzo Musyoka, she appeared for the interview with the likes of Charity Ngilu, Martha Karua, Wycliffe Oparanya, and the top leaders in this country. And essentially, Sabina Chege's star was rising. Recently, the events that have taken place in Jubilee have actually reduced Sabina Chege to almost just Sabina Chege. Let me put it that way. You see, Sabina Chege is fighting now Uhuru Kenyatta to try and overthrow Uhuru Kenyatta from chairmanship of the Jubilee party. Yesterday was like the height of everything when Sabina Chege was nominated by Kanini Kega to be the chairman of Jubilee.
The Honorable Sabina Chege will be the acting party leader of Jubilee Party.
This morning, Sabina Chege appeared in Inoro TV and she was asked, who is the leader of the Kikuyu community in Kenya? I would just like you to hear for yourself what Sabina Chege said. First, you'll notice that Sabina Chege actually was like fumbling and she wasn't coherent and she was like confused, talking about religious leaders, talking about, she was all over the, just listen to her.
No, mutongoria wa Gikuyu.
Kukurigana na urarora kanitha-ini no turoe bishop uria munene muno tugicone mutongoria wa Gikuyu Kristiano ogorenda kurora unduire no urore athuri a Gikuyu ni kuri chairman wa Kikuyu Council of Elders no mutongoria ogoro kwenda kurora atumia no urore hi ni mutumia uri kuria mutongoria munene muno ogorenda kurora siasa na active politics kwa ihinda-ini riri siasa na active politics mundu uria munene muno wina gitura kinene muno ni deputy president letagwo Rigathi wa Gachangua
Uhuru aguka kuneneha ndonire gwekwo igongona na kineo muthingi arindo aneirwo mathaga ma uthamaki wa Mugikuyu ngire ndona igongona tari urigikwo ria kunengera mundu ungi muthingi ucio
riu ni ndiaria cia muthingi tondu ndiciwega na ndikwaria ndeto itoi.
Sabina Chege is like a moon and the sun scenario, where the sun is Uhuru Kenyatta and Sabina Chege reflects the light of Uhuru Kenyatta. The moment you remove the sun, you know, the moon does not shine anymore. That is what I can say for Sabina Chege. And unfortunately, Sabina Chege has just screwed up big time alongside Kanini Kega. Even if at best they get the Jubilee party, Jubilee and Uhuru Kenyatta is like the different sides of one coin. You cannot have Jubilee, as it were, without Uhuru Kenyatta. But what do you think? Do you think Sabina Chege is on the right track? Do you think Sabina Chege will ultimately, with Kanini Kega, will ultimately be the winners in a contest between Uhuru Kenyatta on one side, Sabina Chege, Kanini Kega, Rigathi Gachangua, and William Samoei Ruto on the other side? Who will win this war? Thank you very much for tuning in. Welcome to Talk to Africa. My name is George.